what's up? It's your boy Latone Hart from LatoneHart.com. And I was just thinking, my life would be a lot better if every time I went out, I didn't run into the same three people. You know what I mean? No matter when, no matter where I go out, I'm just out minding my business, paying my bills, running a few errands, listening to my Levert CD, banging Casanova. I run into the same people. Number one, I run into the guy that always comes up to me like this. Yo man, you got some weed? You got some dope? Do I look like the local dope dealer? I mean, let me take that back. I know on Law and Order and NYPD Blue and CSI, I look like the local dope dealer, but I don't even drink alcohol. I barely eat sugar anymore. So no, I don't have any drugs. Like, go ask that guy over there, not me. The other person I always run into, and maybe this just happens because I'm in Wisconsin and Minnesota and Michigan, but I always run into the brothers like this. Hey bro, where the white girls at? Where the white girls at? I don't know. Right, they're everywhere basically, but if you're really looking for them, look for a Pilates class, a yoga class, maybe go to a gym, like somewhere where they're find a place with treadmills, like Bally's. I'm sure there's a bunch of them up in there, or whenever I go to Bed Bath & Beyond, there's always lots of white girls in there, but I don't walk around with white girls in the back of my pocket. Ever since Jack Johnson, created the white slavery law for taking his white lady across state lines, I've left that alone, you know what I mean? And the third guy that I always run into, and this is the one that drives me crazy, is the really hip, wealthy white guy who tries to use hip-hop slang. It's like, yo bro, where's your posse at? My posse is back in 1991 when we used to use that word. He's always like, who's carrying the gat in your posse? Nobody carries gats anymore. Like, that's back in 1989. You know the guy I'm talking about. You know, like the really hip white guy who watched a few episodes of Yo MTV Raps, and now he's like, ooh wee, I gotta get Becky some bling bling. Bling bling. Okay, hey, get Becky some bling bling. Go ahead and charge it on your black card. He's like, yeah, Becky's got a really big rump shaker. Hey bro, rump shaker? Nah, nowadays we say thick. But I mean, if you and Becky wanna do the bling bling with the rump shaker, go right ahead. Just keep using slang words from 10 years ago. Just don't approach me with the BS. You know what I mean? Seriously, if I could avoid those three guys, I would be straight. So don't be one of those guys, and if you see me, just don't speak to me. It's your boy Latone, I'm out.